What's up, my fellow devs, and welcome back to the Dev Shop. So I thought I'll throw this video in to help those who want a actual four-way movement and how to set it up in the script canvas, even though I think a lot of you, if not all of you, should have an idea how to do that without this video. But just in case, I have created, or rather downloaded, a character from the Mixamo website, pulled down some animations, notably walk forward, which I can reverse for backwards, left and right, a run, things like that, just to kind of give you guys how to set it up. So I already saved all of the files for the anim graph, for the workspace and motion set. All that is the same from when we created the Ren character in the previous videos. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we need to change to make the four-way movement work. Alright, so here we are inside of the motion effects graph. The first thing we're going to do is create two variables, or parameters rather. And this one is going to be called vertical. And we're going to set the minimum actually to -1. And we're going to create another one called horizontal. Alright, and for these two variables, our vertical basically replaces our speed parameter from previous videos. Our horizontal is going to determine if we're walking left and right. Alright, and we had the -1 set so we can better gauge what we're doing for the reverse, so the backwards and the left, respectively, of the left and the right and the forward. Alright, so let's go ahead and create our idle. Okay, here we are. So now if I was to set my vertical to 1, we have walking. Let's set it back to 0. If I set it to -1, we have the walk backwards. And all I did was actually use the same walk animation for the walk backwards, except I activated the reverse. So you guys should be used to that too. Very handy if you're limited on animations. So set this back to 0. Now for your horizontal, you set up the same way you did vertical. So for the right, we're going to parameter condition, add horizontal. I guess I didn't click on it. Add horizontal, and we'll make sure that it's greater than 0.1. And to go back, we want to make sure that the parameter is set to 0. Right, and then for the left, do the same thing. Horizontal, except we want to make sure that it's less than -0.1, and make sure that this bad boy sets back to 0. Very simple. Make sure that I got that set back right and that set right. So all the gray ones going back into idle should be green. So when we go to horizontal and set that to 1, she walks right. We set that back to 0 and go left, she walks left. Alright, very cool. So if we save this, hit OK. Of course, she sets back to the T-pose. I'm going to exit out of here. Yes. Now we're going to make a few edits to our script canvas. So all we have to do is actually take this, duplicate it, Control D, Control D again, and again. All right, so one for the release, one for release here, and one here. All right, so let's do the right. So for moving right, we want to change this to horizontal. Leave that at 1. Released. Set to 0. All right, same thing, released, set to 0. Well, I guess I should change this name, huh? Horizontal. And that reminds me, we also have to change the one for the forward and backwards, since we did change the name. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, now that we have that, let's go ahead and hit save, exit out. And with all that, we should now have a character with 4-way movement. If I hit play, we have her idle. She can walk forward, she can walk backwards, right. Oh, got something mixed up. Let's see what we messed up at. Well, let's see where I messed up at. All right. Oh, wasn't connected. All right, that's 0, 0, and I didn't set this one to negative. That's also 1. All right, now hit save. That should work. Walk forward, walk backwards, right, and left. Now, of course, based off your animation, you're probably gonna have to adjust your speed to match the animation. Your other option is root motion, so you don't even have to worry about speeds and scripting your movement. But I'm old-fashioned. That's kind of how I like to do it. But root motion is an option for you guys within Motion Effects, and maybe I'll have a video on that for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I try to keep it as short as possible. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. My social media links, joining the Discord, even if you guys want to support me on Patreon, all those links are down in the description below. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. That really helps the channel. Other than that, hope you guys have a very dope day. Hope you guys are prospering in your projects. And until next time, keep developing.